Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I love fun, bright, colourful makeup, and if you do too, you're in the right place. Ooh, it has just started chucking it down outside. Lovely. If you do love colourful makeup and you love project panning, then I definitely recommend you hit that subscribe button. Today we're updating one of my favourite projects that I am currently doing, and that is my pan in every palette. And I've got a really exciting update for you today. I'm excited. So we're gonna go in order that we rolled them in. So first off, our only remaining, oh, I just stuck my finger in that brown. Oh bloody hell. Oh bloody hell. Our only remaining from our first lot of shadows. This is Melt Rust with the shade Antique. I've not even got my spreadsheet open. What am I even playing at? What am I playing at? So I'm starting the flippy screen off on the iPad. Infuriating. Okay, so Melt Antique. We have used this another 5 times this month. I feel like we are finally seeing some sort of visual progress. Not a whole lot. I don't know how long this is going to keep going for. We're currently at 24 uses. I've used it another 5 times this month. If I hit pan on this one before Christmas, I'm going to be super pleased. So that is the goal on that one, because it's just not going anywhere. Next up, we have our Beauty Bay Bright Matte palette we're working on the shade Paradise. I've used this one 12 times in total, 4 times this month. That's what she is looking like. She's doing okay. I'm not overly worried about this one. I know, because obviously I'm doing a pan that palette this year with my Beauty Bay Jade palette. I know what Beauty Bay mattes I like to hit pan on. You're probably looking around about the 20 use mark, so not worried about that one at all. Then we have our first pan of the month. This is the Cosmic Brushes Gothic palette. This is the shade Supreme. I said in my last update that this was going to be such a satisfying pan, and I mean, just look at that. So satisfying because it's so deep. It's like such a dark colour, and yeah, that's beautiful. We used that one 4 more times from our last update. So that was a total of 17 uses for that one, which I thought was really good for a dark purple. Although I think most of the time I was using it, I was doing like an entire cut crease with it. So I think that probably helped. I was using quite a lot each time. Then our other rollout. This is the Beauty Bay Mini Charms palette. This is shade 1. These pans are ridiculously deep. As you can see, I got to the point where I was really scrubbing my brush about in there. They are super deep. We used this one another 11 times, total of 24 uses. I think the Beauty Bay shimmers in my pan that palette take about 15. So I was shocked that this one took 24. And then our final update, this is the one we rolled in last month. This is Shroud Cosmetics Take a Hint. We only used this one 3 times this month. There's not much in the way of visual progress, but I'm happy with 3 uses. I think that's perfectly fine. So we are rolling out 2 palettes today. I am excited about this. This is the first time we've ever had a double rollout, and I love it. So I'm going to pull up my wheel. Which wheel do I need? I need this one. This is a wheel of all my palettes. And let's roll. Okay, so the first one, I've been nervous about this. The first one we're pulling is Natasha Denona Retro. I've been nervous about Natasha Denona shadows. I've heard they're very, very difficult to hit pan on. So we've got Natasha Denona Retro. Let's give it another spin. Please don't be another Natasha Denona palette. Pastel Roses Secura. Okay, these two are going to work really, really well together. Let me go grab them. Okay, we've got our two new contenders. This is the Pastel Roses Secura. This is such a pretty palette. I know exactly which shade I want to do from here. And then we have the Retro palette from Natasha Denona. So, I kind of want to do... I want to get some more shimmers into the project. So, I think from the Natasha Denona, we're going to do Psychedelic, which is this middle shade here. It's a really pretty, like, light, sparkly pink. And I just think that's really pretty. So, let's do that one. And then Secura. I'm just going to do it. I wanted to do Secura, so we're going to do Secura. That puts us as 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. 3 mattes, sorry, and 2 shimmers. So I think that's a bit of a better balance than we have been working on. That shade is just stunning. I think these two will look really nice paired together. Let's swatch the rest of our colour story. It's not as cohesive as it has been at some points. So we've got Shroud, Take a Hint. To be fair, I feel like these two paired together would look cute. We've got Beauty Bay Paradise. And we've got Melt Antique. So yeah, definitely not a incredibly cohesive colour story. But I do like all the shades in here, so I'm definitely sure I can incorporate them into my looks for this month. I'm excited to see where we get with this. I don't know whether we're going to have any rollouts next month. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. We will have to see. But yeah, let me know what you think of my 2 new roll-ins. Do you think they're too similar? Did I pick 2 shades that were too similar? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous. I've been Coleoftheball, and I'll see you next time. Bye.